Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Unlimited favor. Believing it's too good to be true is saying you don't deserve the best and all the great things God has planned for you. Open your eyes and see that you're worthy, unique, and God has unlimited resources and favor. Believe nothing is too good to be true, and know you deserve the very best life has to offer. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this too. I believe you deserve everything you desire out of love. Everything that deep down inside that you truly love. You deserve that. And if you truly want to have a lot of money, I believe it's okay. I believe that's you're supposed to want that, and then it will come to be if you believe you deserve it. Everybody deserves everything they desire. And it'll all come true if you just let go and let God open the doors for you. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.